Hi, Dale Obrochta, your favorite balloon entertainer here. Today, I have a fun treat for you. It's a polar bear. It's quick, it's easy, it requires a couple balloons, and guess what? You're going to get a wow factor when you do your line twisting or restaurant work. That's coming up next. Here. Today, we're going to be learning the polar bear. It's not a very hard balloon, but it's got a couple cool twists to it, and it's going to get you that wow effect that you want to do this Christmas season. So, it's going to start out with two white 260s, a 160 or a stretched out 260 red, a black scrap, and a 5-inch round. That's it. So let's get started here. I'm going to take you through the basics. I'm not even going to use my second cam because a lot of you know how to do this already. We're going to start off with a simple little round balloon, black balloon. That's going to be the nose. We're going to do a apple twist, which nothing more than tie it in, push it through, and find a spot. Next, we're going to do about a 2-finger bubble. I am going to do a pinch twist. Simple teddy bear head. If you don't know how to do a teddy bear head, series of 5 bubbles. I'm sure you're going to find a video somewhere out there that teaches you how to do that. I'm going to take this, insert it in, do our ears. Like I said, folks, this is quick and easy. If you're a balloon entertainer, you know how to do this real quick. We have our nose, we have our head, boom. We're going to do a leg, come down, measure, same size. We're going to come back, filter through, push it through, and we're going to come back. And at this point, I'm going to dispose of leftover balloons. This is going to be our teddy bear. That's it. This is how quick it is. Blow up your round balloon. Do not overinflate. Take and pinch off a little bubble that's going to be the tail. Find the end, push it through, bring that up, wrap it around. As you can tell, we have our polar bear shape. Now, taking our last 260. You're going to do a full twist. This is going to be the legs. You're going to do a series of 4 of these. You're going to do a pinch twist. That is going to then lock everything. Dispose of. Like I said, this is a quick one, folks. This is perfect for lines or restaurants. Wrap it around. We have our feet. Now, for the head, for the scarf. This could be a 160. I took 260 and stretched it. If you don't know how to stretch a 260, I showed it in the unicorns. What you do is pinch it, wrap it around the neck, at this point, just put a little pinch twist in. Voila, it's done. This is a matter of, 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and that's with even me talking in the beginning. I'm going to show you how to do the artwork. The artwork is not hard. I'm going to swing over my digitized tablet, show you the artwork, but basically, that's it. It's done. Give it a like, give it a share. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. That's all I'm asking for. That's it. Let's go over to the digital tablet and show you how to draw it up. All right, what we're going to do is digitally put the eyes on. I'm going to show you how to draw this. It's really simple and easy. All you do is you pull out your black Sharpie, and we're going to put a dot right there. Let me get my dots working here. Little dots. Make this dot a little bigger, this eye. Eyebrows. I don't like adding a mouth, but I do like to add snowflakes. And how I make my snowflakes is simply by doing an asterisk and then putting some dots on it. So again, cross, 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 bam, 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 bam. There we go. See how easy that is? Quick and easy. This is probably the fastest, cutest, neatest Polar bear, not panda. I got panda on the mind. Polar bear. Look at this polar bear. Boom. Quick and easy. Just add the effects and you're done. It's that simple. So what I'd like you to do is take this time out right now. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button. Click the like button. Click the notification button. Click all those buttons that you need to stay with me. This is Dale, your magical balloon dude, your favorite balloon entertainer, with a fun, cute little panda bear that you're going to love. Enjoy, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel right now. Better yet, find the bell, click on the bell, and be notified with all the new videos. Or if you're an Instagram junkie, make sure you follow me on Instagram.